Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. We all know AI can generate incredible images, but a common problem is that it can be very slow, often requiring dozens of steps to create a high-quality picture. Well, a new paper introduces a method to make this process much faster without losing that amazing quality. Just look at the results right here. The image labeled GAS was created with only 4 steps, yet it looks almost identical to the teacher image, which took 10 steps. It's clearly a huge improvement over other fast methods like UniPC, which also used 4 steps. This new technique is called the Generalized Adversarial Solver, or GAS. So how does this work? Essentially, researchers are creating a solver, which is like a smart recipe for taking shortcuts in the image generation process. Instead of taking many small, careful steps from noise to an image, a solver tries to do it in just a few big leaps. The first part of their innovation is the generalized solver. Think of it this way. Older methods would decide the next step based only on the one right before it. This new solver is smarter. It looks back at all of its previous steps to make a much more informed decision about where to go next. The second, and perhaps most crucial part, is the adversarial training. Imagine the image generator is like an art student trying to paint a masterpiece. The researchers introduce a second AI, a discriminator, which acts like a very critical art teacher, whose only job is to spot the difference between the student's work and a real masterpiece. By constantly getting this critical feedback, the student, our generator, rapidly improves, learning to avoid common mistakes and artifacts. The results in these tables are really impressive. In these tests, a lower FID score is better, and you can see that across many different datasets, GAS consistently achieves lower scores than all previous methods, especially in low-step scenarios. This technique even works incredibly well for complex text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion. When compared to other methods using the same number of steps, the images generated by GAS are often sharper, more detailed, and more coherent. So let's quickly recap what this all means. The researchers created the Generalized Adversarial Solver, or GAS, a powerful new method for training diffusion models. It combines a smarter solver that learns from its entire history with an adversarial training process that helps eliminate artifacts and enhance details. The result is a system that can generate images in just a handful of steps that look as good as those that take dozens. So, what could this mean for the future? This technology could make high-quality, near-instantaneous AI image generation possible on everyday devices like laptops and even phones. It's a significant step towards making powerful creative AI tools more accessible and efficient for everyone. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.